Hello friends, today we are going to learn that how we can take a digital notes by using our laptop and without any using that expensive iPads. I'm taking digital notes on my laptop which cost me around 23,000 rupees, which is roughly $350, and I'm using a digital pen tablet, or we can say graphic tablet by Wacom, which cost me 6,000 rupees, or I can say $90. So without any further delay, let us start. So I'm using a software provided by Microsoft, that is Microsoft OneNote for Windows. This is a very useful software, we can say, and it is very easy to use. So let us give me an overview for this. When we open the OneNote, you can see a certain sections here. So we have deal with the currently basically two sections. First one is you see a add section, that is column, and second one is add page column. Add section means we can say that it is a notebook, which subject notebook we are using. For example, here I'm using a chemistry notebook, so I can say grade 10 chemistry notebook. And next to that section page, we have a page option, that is page, we can say the pages inside the notebook. Here I have created a page named chapter 1. You can rename it both section and page, and either you can add a new section or you can add a new page according to your name. So now we'll come to the main area, that how we can start writing the notes. So let me enlarge this. Here we can see that we have options for taking the notes or writing the notes. Here I'm using graphical pen tablet, by which I can take a handwritten notes on it. By taking handwritten notes, we have a plenty of options. We have colorful pens, we also have eraser option, and we can choose any of that. Here I'm using a different type of pens for writing the notes. These notes are only for demo purposes, don't take it seriously. We can even highlight the options here, and even we can insert the image here. Once you insert the image, we can simply copy the image and paste here. We can drag and drop also, whichever comfortable to you, you can do that option. And after inserting the image, you can write down on the image, or even we can it is like a pasting a picture on our notebook. So here we can we can do all that digitally. Let me fast forward this. You can write down as much you can, or in a simpler words. That completely depends upon you how you can write down the notes, but you can also write down in the text options. If you have a bad handwriting like me, then we have also an option to write in the text options. We can bold it, we can highlight it, and we can even change the size, and we can drag and drop that also. That is the text options, which is a comfortable thing. Even you can change your writing part, that is in which is your handwritten part, you can change into the computer based text also. We have ink to word option here, but that depend upon your handwriting. My handwriting is not so good, so it is not picking some of the words, but mostly if you have good handwriting, you can easily convert your handwriting into that digital text. So it is a very convenient option for me. And again, we have some colorful and sparkle pens also. Here we can write down with that sparkle pens. You can write as much you can. So let me fast forward, and I will not waste your time. So I'm taking that notes during that pandemic, and I'm sharing with my students, as I'm a teacher, chemistry teacher. So that one is very helpful for me in that time, and even in the present time also. So all these are the main highlights of the OneNote. You see, you can make as aesthetic as you can. So that's all from my side, and you can even share that with your colleagues, or by mail, or with the students. That is completely depends upon you, and it all stores on the cloud storage, so no need to worry about the deletion of that data. You can access from it from any other computer by logging to simply your Microsoft account. So that's it from my side. Any comments, any suggestions are welcome. So thanks, have a good day, and bye.